I have decided to upgrade the camera strap. Nothing wrong with that. It is also fairly well rubberized, but I very often hold the camera in my hand, and I need an easy way to eliminate those straps here. Let's see what we can do. I'm going to use a product from Peak Design. It's called Anchor Links. It is camera strap with quick connectors. Let's see what's inside here. So they are supposed to give you quick connectors to attach the camera. Okay, let's see what we got inside. Turns any classic or OEM strap with ends into a quick connecting camera strap. Very good. Let's see what's inside. Peak Design come help, register your products. Then we get three-layer replace if yellow inner core becomes visible. Okay. Second one. That's good. And what do they say here? This process how to anchor. Clack. Replace if anchor yellow liner becomes visible. This is the process to attach the camera. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's see what we can do. Let's try this one first. Well done. Let's turn the camera here. Let's take the second one. Oh, very sturdy. Okay, great. How is this supposed to work? The opposite. It's supposed to work in this way. If I want to release it, then I need to press and lift. Perfect. So what do I do with this now? Now I want these to be held in this way. So I want this camera strap to be here. Start it out. the same here. Instructions here. Perfect. And this is another product from Peak Design, which is the Slide Lite mirrorless camera sling strap. I don't know why they say mirrorless, but it includes the strap, 4 clips, and 1 connector. Let's see what's going on. Color black. There's the clip itself here. And then there is these things here. Peak Design ecosystem. And then there is how to carry, sling style, neck carry, and shoulder carry. It explains how to mount the staff. Anchor construction, replaces the volume becomes visible. Recommended anchor placements. Upper, long lens, up and down, and flash. In terms of a quick adjustment, there we go. So what do we have here? Oh, we have a nice pouch for carrying. It's 1, 2. It's intended to screw and unscrew the bottom parts, and yeah, here's the bottom part. Interesting. What is this? I don't know what is this. Just to avoid that it falls apart. Okay. Then okay, let's look at this. Pouch away. Let me open this one. It's very smooth here, and this is rubberized. Okay. Find your peak. So let's see finally what we have. A Pro Pad from Peak Design. This is a stabilizer pad for capture system. So it's supposed to help holding the camera with a camera clip. Let's see what's inside. very difficult to open. Pro support for Pro camera, comfortable low profile stabilizer pad for using capture with heavy camera setups, enhanced weight distribution and build-up padding. Carry the heavy stove loads, full frames, battery grips, monster lenses. Fit for belt carry and backpack strap. So shoot for longer with increased comforts. Works that we pick design capture version 3 sold separately. Okay. So what's the description here? Stress point, low profile laminated construction, embedded padding, embedded structural panel, heavy duty, Hypalon, and racked synthetic canvas materials. Okay, let's look inside. This is the pad. Soft. What do they have? So Pro pad, belt carry, so put it in your belt. So it's one, here's the two. Okay, there is some big design here. Need to take it out, you see. I need to take this out in order to see the full instructions. Here we go. Okay. So number 2, put your clip underneath and then turn it over and stitch everything together. Okay. And for the back body carry, it's behind, position it behind, put it over and close it. Cool. Fully behind. Finally, last but not least, we have the capture camera clip. Capture camera clip. Version 3, supporting version 3. And this is actually silver. Now I understand that you can open it easily in this way. Take your camera everywhere. Hold your camera any strap or belts. Rated to hold over 90 kilos. Ultra secure and convenient. Fit on any belt or strap. Work on all sides of cameras, and there is a quick release button for instant access and built-in safety lock. Very shiny, very nice. See whether we can open it. Few accessories, screws, as well as something else, the cards. Then we have the pouch itself with some instructions here. This is for bags and straps. This is the quick release with safety lock, standard balls, X balls for low profile attachments, and then the waterproof machine aluminum alloy into capture clip anchor link. Come with filling, rubberized. This is made in China, designed in San Francisco and made in China. Is great. In this way, they essentially say we pay the salary to the Chinese and not to the Americans, and all what we save is our pockets, money, profit. Good. So if I open it, nothing happens. If I unscrew, no, I can screw it, then stays very steady. But if I press the quick release, nothing happens. Okay, that's how it works. You lock it, this comes inside, it's sturdy. Then I decide to take it out, and works in this way. If I revert it, fit as well. Press it in order to get it out. Very nice.